September 12, Monday morning meditation. Time isn't the main thing, it's the only thing. Miles Davis. Meditate on this. Google Maps will show it takes 47 minutes to walk from the New York Stock Exchange over to the FDR Drive, uptown and across the Brooklyn Bridge to the Borough of Kings. On Tuesday, September 11, 2001, with my colleagues of just 3 months, I navigated the chaos of Lower Manhattan on that route. With fighter jets overhead, we proceeded from the stock exchange up, over, and across, during which time both the South and ultimately North Towers succumbed to the attacks, crumbling to the frantic city streets below. I highlight this route because it's what I replay most, remembering that blue sky morning. On this route I met bravery, true bravery, in the face of imminent and surreal danger. My most admired role models led us on this route as we all grappled with the reality now occurring around us. Every second pulsing through my body, and all inside of 47 minutes. There are more details of September 11th and memories I would rather forget. What's most important is understanding, truly giving credence to the value of time, how important every minute is, how valuable every tomorrow will be. This week, as you sort out your fantasy football matchups, think about what you fill 47 minutes with each day. The words you use, the people you spend it with, the intentions of those precious moments. Consider replacing some of the routine with the new and invigorating. Choose alignment with your goals and dreams and take action, incrementally, during those 47 minutes each day. Praise your team and loved ones, acknowledging their role in your success and happiness. Declare for yourself, as Miles Davis has asserted, that time is the only thing. God bless America. Get in the race.